Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, a US billing method and a US phone to receive verification. Next, connect your VPN to a stable US server. Make sure it supports VoIP traffic. Open Google Voice in an incognito window, select a US region, and start account creation. Enter your Google account, then choose a US phone number for verification. Use the prepared US-capable number. Once done, pause and verify you received the text or call, because that step unlocks the next actions. After initial verification, you link a forwarding phone. Add the phone in voice settings, then accept the confirmation call. Once linked, configure call forwarding, voicemail, and message forwarding. Choose preferences to route calls to your local device. Then, update Google Payments to a US billing address and attach your US payment method, because billing location affects number assignment. Make sure to test outgoing calls and SMS from the Google Voice interface while the VPN remains connected. To finish, perform full tests. Call your new number from another line, send an SMS, and check voicemail playback. Once satisfied, label forwarding rules and sync contacts so you can use voice like a native US line. Make sure to keep the VPN active for major settings changes and when using the web interface from abroad. If Google blocks an action, switch to another reputable US exit server, re-verify the forwarding number, and retry. This simple retry often resolves temporary geo-blocking issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.